When it comes to stand mixers, two brands often dominate the conversation: Cuisinart and KitchenAid. Both are renowned for producing high-quality kitchen appliances, but their stand mixers have distinct differences that can influence your purchasing decision. Let's dive into a detailed comparison of these two popular brands, examining various features and options to help you determine which one might be better suited for your needs. Bowl size and capacity. KitchenAid offers a wider range of bowl sizes compared to Cuisinart. While Cuisinart provides 2 bowl sizes, KitchenAid boasts 6 different options. This variety allows KitchenAid to cater to a broader spectrum of users, from those who prefer smaller batches to those who need larger capacities for commercial use. The standard Cuisinart Precision Stand Mixer comes with a 5.5-quart bowl, which is slightly larger than the 5-quart bowl of the KitchenAid Artisan Series. This marginal difference might not seem significant, but it can make a difference when preparing larger batches of dough or batter. Color options and aesthetics. When it comes to aesthetics, KitchenAid is the clear winner. The brand offers an impressive array of color options, with over 40 different shades available for the Artisan Series alone. This vast selection allows users to find a mixer that perfectly complements their kitchen decor or personal style. Cuisinart, on the other hand, has traditionally offered a more limited color palette. However, they have recently expanded their range to include some attractive pastel shades like blushing coral, agave green, and arctic blue. While this expansion is welcome, it still falls short of KitchenAid's extensive color offerings. In terms of design, KitchenAid mixers are often considered more aesthetically pleasing, with their classic sloping design that has become iconic in kitchens worldwide. Cuisinart mixers, while attractive, tend to have a slightly curvier and bulkier appearance. Size and weight. The size and weight of a stand mixer can be crucial factors, especially if you have limited counter space or plan to move the appliance frequently. Cuisinart stand mixers are generally lighter compared to similar-sized KitchenAid options, making them more maneuverable. This can be a significant advantage if you need to store your mixer in a cabinet and take it out only when needed. As for height, Cuisinart mixers range from 15 to 16 inches tall, while KitchenAid offers more variety, with heights ranging from 14 to 17 inches. This diversity in size allows KitchenAid to accommodate different kitchen layouts and storage preferences. Bowl materials. KitchenAid offers more variety in bowl materials, providing options in stainless steel, glass, and ceramic. This allows users to choose based on their preferences for durability, aesthetics, or specific baking needs. Cuisinart, on the other hand, only offers stainless steel bowls. While stainless steel is durable and easy to clean, some users might prefer the ability to see through a glass bowl or the aesthetic appeal of a ceramic one. Attachments and versatility. Both Cuisinart and KitchenAid provide the standard attachments you'd expect with a stand mixer: a flat beater, a dough hook, and a wire whip. These attachments cover most basic mixing needs, from creaming butter and sugar to kneading bread dough. However, KitchenAid stands out in terms of additional attachments available for purchase separately. The brand offers a wide range of attachments that can transform your stand mixer into a multifunctional appliance. These include pasta makers, food grinders, ice cream makers, and even vegetable spiralizers. This versatility can be a significant advantage if you're looking to maximize the utility of your kitchen appliances. Bowl access and design. Cuisinart only offers tilt head stand mixers, where the top of the mixer tilts back to allow easy access to the bowl. This design is user-friendly and makes it simple to add ingredients or scrape down the sides of the bowl during mixing. KitchenAid, however, offers both tilt head and bowl lift models. The bowl lift design, found in their larger capacity mixers, provides more stability during heavy-duty mixing tasks. This can be particularly beneficial when working with dense doughs or large batches. Another notable difference is that Cuisinart mixers come with a handle on the bowl, which can be helpful when pouring or scraping out mixtures. KitchenAid bowls typically don't include this feature, although some models may offer it. Motor power and performance. When comparing similar-sized mixers, Cuisinart generally offers superior motor power. For instance, the Cuisinart Precision Stand Mixer boasts a 500-watt motor, which is more powerful than the 325-watt motor found in the KitchenAid Artisan Series. However, it's important to note that wattage alone doesn't tell the whole story. KitchenAid mixers are known for their efficiency and ability to handle tough mixing tasks despite lower wattage ratings. Moreover, KitchenAid's Professional Series features the most powerful motor at 575 watts, surpassing Cuisinart's offerings. The higher power of Cuisinart mixers can be advantageous, as mixers with lower-powered motors have to work harder, which can impact their lifespan. However, KitchenAid's reputation for durability suggests that their mixers can withstand heavy use despite lower wattage ratings. Speed settings. Both brands offer multiple speed settings, allowing for precise control over your mixing tasks. Cuisinart mixers typically feature 12 speed settings, while KitchenAid models usually have 10 speeds. The additional speeds on the Cuisinart mixer provide slightly more fine-tuned control, which can be beneficial for certain recipes that require very specific mixing speeds. However, for most home bakers, the difference between 10 and 12 speeds is likely to be negligible in practice. Warranty and durability. Cuisinart offers a more extended warranty period compared to KitchenAid. Cuisinart stand mixers come with a 3-year limited warranty, while KitchenAid provides a 1-year limited warranty for most models. However, it's worth noting that KitchenAid's ProLine mixers come with a 5-year warranty. Despite the shorter standard warranty, KitchenAid mixers have a reputation for exceptional durability. Many users report their KitchenAid mixers lasting for decades with proper care. This longevity is one of the reasons why KitchenAid mixers are often considered a worthwhile investment despite their higher price point. Manufacturing origin. For those who prioritize products made in the USA, KitchenAid has an advantage. KitchenAid stand mixers are manufactured in Greenville, Ohio. This American-made status is a point of pride for the brand and can be a deciding factor for some consumers. Cuisinart, while a reputable brand, does not manufacture its stand mixers in the USA. This may or may not be a consideration depending on your personal preferences and values. Price and value. One of the most significant differences between Cuisinart and KitchenAid stand mixers is the price point. Cuisinart mixers are generally more affordable than their KitchenAid counterparts. For example, the Cuisinart Precision Stand Mixer typically retails for around $249.99, while the KitchenAid Artisan Series usually costs about $399.99. This price difference makes Cuisinart an attractive option for those on a budget or for casual bakers who may not use their mixer frequently enough to justify the higher cost of a KitchenAid. However, it's important to consider the long-term value. KitchenAid's durability and the potential for decades of use can make it a worthwhile investment for serious bakers or those who use their mixer frequently. Performance and use. While specifications are important, the real test of a stand mixer comes in its performance during actual use. Both Cuisinart and KitchenAid perform well in most baking tasks, but there are some differences to note. KitchenAid mixers, particularly the Artisan Series, excel at smaller batches. They're great for making a single loaf of bread or a standard-sized cake. The slightly smaller bowl size and the mixer's design allow it to effectively incorporate ingredients even in smaller quantities. Cuisinart's larger bowl capacity can be an advantage when making larger batches, but it can sometimes struggle with smaller amounts. The flat beater may not reach the bottom of the bowl effectively when mixing smaller quantities, which can result in less furrow mixing. Both mixers can handle tough doughs, but users report that KitchenAid mixers tend to be more stable when kneading heavy doughs, with less walking or shaking on the counter. brand reputation and popularity, KitchenAid stand mixers have achieved an iconic status in the culinary world. They're frequently seen in professional kitchens, cooking shows, and are a popular item on wedding registries. This popularity is due in part to their long history. The first KitchenAid stand mixer was introduced in 1919, and their reputation for quality and durability. Cuisinart, while also a respected brand in the kitchen appliance industry, doesn't have quite the same level of brand recognition when it comes to stand mixers. However, they've been gaining ground in recent years, particularly among budget-conscious consumers and those looking for high-power options. So, which one is better? Determining which stand mixer is better ultimately depends on your specific needs, preferences, and budget. Both Cuisinart and KitchenAid offer high-quality stand mixers that can handle a wide range of baking tasks. KitchenAid stand mixers are the better choice if you value iconic design and a wide range of color options. You frequently make smaller batches. You want the option to expand your mixer's functionality with numerous attachments. You're willing to invest more for a mixer that could last decades. You prefer products made in the USA. Cuisinart stand mixers are the better choice if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option. You frequently make larger batches. You prefer a more powerful motor. You want a longer warranty period. You don't need a wide range of color options. In the end, both brands produce capable stand mixers that can significantly enhance your baking experience. The KitchenAid Artisan Series remains a favorite among many home bakers and professionals for its versatility, durability, and iconic design. However, the Cuisinart Precision Mixer offers impressive power and capacity at a more accessible price point, making it an excellent value option. Consider your baking habits, budget, and kitchen needs carefully when making your decision. Whichever brand you choose, a quality stand mixer can be a game changer in your kitchen, opening up new culinary possibilities and making baking tasks more efficient and enjoyable.